I'm gonna show you how to create an RPG game. I already got the animator ready, so this is walk equal through and walk equal falls, and this is just an animated bull. And as I go here, we just need this for part 1, which is the walking. I always come with the animation set. So now let's look at this. I already imported it, and when it has I made back as any backup, and it's not just I make backup. Go ahead, just put that, so it will work. So I'm gonna go in here, hit the edit button. So first thing you want to do is move whenever you hit front, right, and look around. It was able to look around. So first we just need to move. So first I'm just gonna go ahead. So get key down. There, get key down. And when we got the key down and the key is the up arrow, we will set event to new event, which is walk. Create event. And hit this, there's a walk state, go to state 2. So this state 2, so I'm just gonna do this. Idle. I know we can do other ways, which are pretty much like can move right, left, but for this one, I'm not doing all that yet. I mean, I would rather do this. It's the better control. So now I'm gonna. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just walk and set animator bull walk. Oh my god. Make sure the spelling are the same while you can check in this time. So now I'm gonna copy that and take that action right around here, and this is untick. Understand? So with this setup, if you hit play, that was quite easy. Oh my god. Oh my god, my camera isn't on the character. And also this tutorial, I want to make also the camera to follow the character, okay? For also this tutorial. But first, let me just put it into look at the character so we can see what's happening. So camera, Control Shift F. Alright, hit play. You shall see he do the idle animation. If I hit the forward key, he will do the walking animation. But look at the problem. The animator here, we shall have no exit time. The character can stop anytime. So let's go one time. When he's doing idle, and if we hit the frontward button, he will go front. Oh my goodness, I don't think we even have a back to idle. Wow, to pause. Oh yeah, I got the code right. Code mixed up. This was supposed to be first. It should set it there first. So I hit play one more time. If I hit walk, why does it not know how to come back to idle now? It should come back to idle, right? Copy view. Okay, this is so here. Set animator walk to animator bull. None, and get walk and walk here. Have this animator bull. Oh, now I understand. So we have no coming back. So let's say get action. Get key up. So we shall say get key up. The key is down. Up arrow. Stay. Oh, wrong. So I'm gonna add a vision of walk back to idle. I mean, that's pretty much it. If you're working with me, you know me. I don't really do a lot. So now you realize, I think my character is walking a little to the side, so let's download a straight walking. Walking. I mean, my character doesn't have a shopping bag, so no. Walking, turning left, walks backward. Happy, walk backward. Brutal, to happy. Walking. Oh, this is not good. Oh man, I downloaded so many animations. In the life of creating a game, you don't know how many animations you can need to download. Dude, that's their like literally chance in editing. So now if I go in here and I say simple military, new animation controller. So there is this thing also if I go to ASET, there's a new animation, walking. Oh, why does it take one? God, this is weird. I'm gonna go set but trust me, it just do that take one almost every single time, but turns out they're all fine. See, it already changed back to mixmo.com so fast. Animation, loop, all those three. Hit apply, and now we go to animator. We go to this mixmo walk and change it to this mixmo walk. So that's the problem. There's mixmo.com and then the other one was a take one, so they don't know which one to play. So now you see my character is actually walking front now. Now one thing I realized, you want the camera to move toward the character and make the character know how to turn. So to do that is pretty simple, but you need something inside of the camera. So let's go to camera. And let's create an empty game object inside the player. So let's create an empty one. Create an empty game object that the camera will look at. And maybe around over here in the middle of the player. So say camera follow. So the camera shall follow this. The camera should follow this, and the one we shall duplicate on the camera follow. Gonna duplicate it to where the camera base is supposed to be also. So this instead of camera follow is camera base, and then drag and drop the camera inside the camera base. So where's camera to the camera base. And now I move the rest, and I select camera base, and the camera, you see that camera over there. So the camera is previewing it. So now I shall rotate that camera down, game. She's on the top down game view now. Now I look up a little, game. So that's it. And if I move down this side a little, game, it shall look bigger to you. And so now that is set, let's go make the camera. Let's go make the camera a component. FSM, move its user owner. Problem. I already created this thing more than twice, so I don't know if any of you ever did. So let's see. The game object is supposed to be camera follow, and we're I'm gonna not ignore the vertical, and the speed is 10, so that. And now it shall already be set. So camera now and follow it. See, but now we can't look right or left, like turn the camera to look right or left. And make the player also look right or left. We have nothing to do with that. So now let's do that. To do that is pretty much simple to do. All you need to do is just go in the camera base, edit a component. So I'm just gonna edit a component. We're gonna do the walk backwards soon, but let's just go with the forward. So this, and put a mouse look inside. Mouse look. Where's the mouse look? And you pretty much need to also download Raycast too, and stuff if you want it. Raycast 2 has a non-hit event, and we're gonna do it for the pickups and everything. So yeah, we're gonna need the Raycast 2. So I'm just gonna hit this hit 3. I'm gonna hit X. Right. So look at the player now. We could able to look on this side, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. But one thing clearly is that the farmer guy here has something to do with something. So walk forward and idle. We're gonna need a smooth look at. So this smooth look at shall be set at the front of everything. And we now could create in the camera, we create an empty game object. Empty, and this game object will be front of the player, like right over here. So there's a look at. So that empty game object will be the thing that the player needs to look at. And it will keep the vertical, and everything is all set. Now one more thing we also wanted to look at when it's on here. So we just easy action and it. And X, hit play. You shall see this. If you go here, it will look follow. Everything is all perfectly set up. If you look up, he will not move up because we keep the vertical. But now one thing I realize is the character doesn't, look at this, stop. It just does that, which is pretty weird for me. It's pretty weird. So the player shall have something. We're gonna add the skybox and everything soon, but first let's add the player character controller. Now let's go to the player and go to the character controller here. So if I remember right, I have 2 Unity projects. This one and this component, the player guy here has a character controller. So the character controller, I'm gonna copy this. So it's gonna be 1.5, 0.6, and height of 3, because my character is the same, like the same size. The height of 3. Oh man. So let's see, 0.6. This is 0.6. We have a head collider. Actually, we don't, because the characters are gonna get hit by head. 1.5. Now if we go to demo, down, hit this down. Oh my god, so many. Wiggles down, props down, buildings down. Select there and hit shift until up here in our component mesh collider. Now as we hit play all the time, I think it should work already. Yes, it works. We lock the car, we can't. Yep. So that's perfect pretty much it for this tutorial, and next tutorial will teach you how to do a chopping animation, like a hip chopping animation, and enemy AI and picking up. That will be a lot longer. So goodbye. See you next time.